Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Shana's Kitchen. My today's recipe is sweet egg korma curry. Egg korma is more or less common to all Asian people, especially in our Indo-Bangla region. Usually we prepare egg korma with boiled eggs, but the korma I'll be cooking today is little different from that. This recipe is also from my mom's collection. So let's see the ingredients, what we need to cook sweet egg korma curry. Viewers, to cook our sweet egg korma curry, we need 3 eggs and thickened milk half liter, oil 1 tablespoon, sugar we need 2 tablespoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon, ghee we need 1 tablespoon, coconut and peanut paste we need 1 cup around, and fried groundnuts and raisins we need clove and 2 bay leaves, and we need cardamom 3 pieces around and 2 cinnamon sticks. That's all we need to cook our sweet egg korma curry. So viewers, we'll be cooking our korma in two steps. First step, we'll make egg roll and slice them like barfi. Second step, we'll be cooking our sweet egg korma curry. So stay with me and enjoy cooking sweet egg korma curry. Viewers, winter has just started spreading breeze air. There is very pleasant weather is in Bangladesh right now. Not so cold, not even hot. Coming few months is mostly the months of get together, parties and for picnics. But for me, the most significance is meeting with the extended families as children gets long holiday for their winter vacation in December. We get chance to live like a happy big family, which we really miss in our busy city life. Sisters, brothers, in-laws, grandparents, uncle, aunts and cousins all try to come to meet their roots. We really get chance to go back to our childhood. We cherish these moments. So, viewers, now you can understand how much pressure our ladies have to take to plan a menu for a happy big family when the recipe has to be special too. So, my today's recipe is dedicated to all our grandma, aunt, sister who cooks and who, of course, always demand some special recipe in every meal that our youngers and our children. This sweet egg korma is goes very well with pulao and take very less time to cook but tasty. So viewers, please try and taste the sweet egg korma curry in this winter and give special treat to your children and your family.